Hi guys, I'm Chandini and welcome back to my channel. I've basically grown up in an Amway family, so I kinda am used to using all of their products, and that is why I tend to make all these videos with Amway products in it. Today's video is a swatch video. I recently got my hands on Attitude Lipstick travel pack. So these travel packs are really cool because it tends to have like 6 shades from their latest range and in teeny tiny sizes. This is what they look like. 3 of them are creme and 3 are matte, and I'm gonna sit here and casually just show how they look on you. If you are anywhere near my complexion, you kind of get an idea of what they would look like on you. And don't be confused guys, I'm wearing a ton load of makeup right now, so this is not my complexion. You should see some of my face wash videos wherein I'm washing my face with no makeup. Then you will get it what my actual skin color is like. So you should do that so that you kind of get an idea and not be fooled by all the products that I have on my face right now. It has a small tiny mirror in it. What I have on right now is a creme lip color, and these kind of transfer. So this is a transfer map of the lip color, whereas matte lip colors don't transfer as much. So I've put some foundation on my lips so that the actual shade, the color of the lipstick is visible. The first one is a matte lip color. It's called Strawberry Rush. It's a mix of orange and pink. Next one is also a matte one. It's called Roasty Red. This entire travel pack has many variations of red in it. These have amazing payoff and they leave enough stain on your lips in case you're eating or drinking something. So even then you're going to have a fair bit of lip color still on. Next is also a matte one. This is called Raspberry Crush. It's a beautiful combination of magenta with red. Next we have the creme lip colors. This one is Passionate Pink and this is my favorite in the entire pack. Have a bold out there red lip color. This one is Seductive Red. I deliberately left the last color to be the darkest since you can see that these lip colors tend to leave a stain. So I'm going to apply this now. Next we have a maroon Marsala kind of a lip color. This one is called Mischievous Wine. This is more of my mother's shade. I see her wearing such lip colors all the time. So yeah. It from Amway is a very affordable drugstore range with supreme quality. The creme lip colors here are 269 rupees MRP and the matte ones are for 349. So you can clearly see that these lip colors leave a stain on your lips. I personally like this because so that our face does not look absolutely washed out without a lip color. So that's all for today guys. Before I sign off, if you love my YouTube videos, I'm hoping that you do, then you will love my Instagram. So follow me on my Instagram guys. I am a professional makeup artist, so you could follow my makeup page or you could follow my personal fashion styling and all the crap that I do in my day-to-day life. So my makeup page is called Makeup by Chandini and my other page is called Just Stuff. So please follow me there. I'd love to see you guys there, and whatever suggestions you have, please comment down below. I will definitely get back to you. That's all for today guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. So bye!